Want to say peace to all my homies out there. Yeah. Let me tell you one thing about you. You don't know anything about your left and right shoe. They were put together by me and my father some year ago. So when you walk to work, that is why you're very much a beerbo. He's a weirdo, yes. That's what you told me when I told you that I was the shoemaker. And that I spend my time on summer vacations being a moonraker. Yeah. And I would show you how to moonwalk, but all I can do is coon talk. And I would show you how to replace the star with a backstage laminate, but it wouldn't do you any good in the long run, so I gave you this pair of shoes. And it is a pair for free. It's somewhat of a therapy for your insides and your... all that good stuff. And a little bit more of that good stuff. Perhaps you would like a little bit more of that good stuff. I make shoes. I wish they do something about the shoes that they would wear on the daily today. On Friday to Saturday to Sunday. Where they go? How would they feel? Every day. Transcend with your footsteps. I wish that you knew where your shoes would be blue and purple and turquoise. Maybe turn to boys and girls. When I make the shoes, they are made of fabric of the sky. I wish that you didn't feel inadequate and had to lie. Everyone in the